I'm Joelle, and I've been trying to build strength and skill in the mountains where I live, slowly, through sweat and effort and figuring things out one step at a time. This trip isn't a solo one. I'm here with my family, but I'm still hoping to find a few quiet moments for myself. To move, to focus, maybe just to think. We're headed to Salida, looking for a campsite we stayed at once before. Traveling with the toddler means things are a little less flexible, but we're pretty sure we'll find something nearby. It's definitely easier to wing it when it's just adults, but she loves being outside, and we're making it work. Getting out of the house always shifts something in me. There's no real plan, just a general direction and hope that we'll find a decent campsite. It's kind of chaotic trying to get everyone packed, but once we're on the road, it all starts to settle. We actually lucked out and found the exact same spot my husband and I camped at before, tucked into the trees and a bit off the 4x4 road. And the best part? The waterfall nearby. That constant sound is built in white noise. Pretty ideal. This tent was new to me. It's a small backpacking setup I'll be sleeping in tonight. My husband and our toddler are in a bigger tent not far away. It's a system that works for us. Gives everyone a bit more space and a better shot at sleep. We've done a few successful nights in a pop-up camper with her, but now we're starting to branch out a little. The goal is to keep things simple and flexible so we can get better spots without needing the comfort of a full setup. It's a bit of an experiment, but so far so good. And a pop-up camper, and that was super awesome. You see? Okay. Now that I know what it's talking about, this is not nearly as annoying. Or not even annoying, just like worrisome that I would have a pad to sleep on tonight. Okay. I guess it's pretty pumped up. It's pretty pumped up.
You try to burn me down, but my spirit just be fine. Like a phoenix from the ash, find my strength from within. I am stronger than before. I know let it go. Rise, rise, Whom I'll carry you in my heart, hand in hand, I'll build again. No one tells you always, my heart will.
Morning came early, and yep, this is me before coffee. I woke up to catch the sunrise and stretch my legs a bit. Last night's dinner didn't quite go as planned. I'd forgotten the cast iron skillet, which definitely threw things off. We pulled something together, just not exactly the meal I'd imagined. Maybe next time. Camping's always good, but it's also always tiring. We all went to bed not long before it got dark.
Full release, winter sleep, spring new life, summer thrive.
I'm trying to find my way when it comes to relaxing while camping. Sometimes it feels like I go to bed early just so that I can read or lie without doing a thing for once. This morning, I was able to have some time to myself, at least for a little while.
I'm out on a section of the Colorado Trail. Not too far from where we camped. And I've been this trail before. We give it a shot. Quite steep so far. Quite steep. I'm gonna get a little peace and quiet. I really find some peace. Tired, but if I'm not out here running, then I'm arguing with the toddler. That's okay. I only started running 2 years ago. And I've never tried to be a super fast runner. I have a old injury that kind of makes me, at least holds me back a little. I'm trying to see if I can surpass that left ankle injury. That limits the mobility in my ankle quite a lot. So I've been working on my mobility of late. Let's see how far that goes. My hope is that I'll be able to run faster with less pain. If I can get the mobility working a little better. Oh, excuse me on your left. When you got a chance.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Let's take your time.
There you go.
Oh, thanks. I'm a big fan of surprise. So, since I wasn't that far, didn't really skip out this trail. I'm sure they're, I would say, that's not very far. But being that's not far from camp, I'm not going far. So, okay. quick run, and we're headed back to camp. Back downhill. I don't know if anything else, but running downhill is sketchier than running uphill. You have to pay even more attention. Let me know if that's a thing. Is that just me?
This part always sucks before it doesn't. The second I step in, everything in me says nope, and then I do it anyway, and I always feel better. It kind of resets everything. Packing up always comes too fast. I'd stay another day if I could, but that's how it goes. Still, even a quick trip like this shifts something, just enough to remember why I keep doing it. I'm not trying to prove anything out here, just trying to learn what I'm capable of, physically, mentally, all of it. And slowly I'm figuring it out, one trip at a time. It means a lot to have you join me. Thank you for watching.
As I waited without a sign of what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest